All right. Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. We're starting our breakout session entitled Reimagine Your Work Universe. My name is Alexey and I'm from Wrike product team, now Citrix. And let's get started. Today we'll talk about the Wrike platform and unique capabilities we've built through the years to enable companies and teams work as one. We'll talk about the future of work and how the Wrike is going to meet the challenge the future poses. I want to start with the recent Citrix Pulse research, and the message we received from businesses is loud and clear. Shift to hybrid work really posed a unique set of challenges, starting from employees not having the right tools to perform their work and not feeling productive, to not delivering what they expected to. And it ends with employee burnout, and these challenges demand changes in the way teams and organizations work. We help organizations to accelerate work that matters most by striking the perfect balance between the power and versatility of the platform, ease of use, and its strong enterprise foundation. This makes Wrike the personal go-to for each user, a virtual office to connect, share and ideate for teams, and consistent, regulated, well-defined outcome-driven workspace for organization. Let's double-click on the unique capabilities of the platform and see what value each of them can provide. I want to start with what we call work your way. So how does Wrike let teams work their way? It starts with an intuitive UI that can be easily configured by users. When users first log into Wrike, they see their inbox, which looks very similar to an email client like Outlook. But it's much more than that. Wrike Unique Work Graph allows users to view the same information in a variety of ways, from lists to tables to boards, calendars, dashboards, and full interactive Gantt chart for more traditional project managers. Our users are free to choose which view and work representation is most comfortable for them. This allows for quick adoption because users can continue to work in the view they are most comfortable with. Another key concept of Wrike platform is what we call collaborate with context. Wrike platform captures conversations within the context of a task, project, file, or even a digital asset, making collaboration seamless. Wrike has been the first to launch multi-user task editor that allows teams to ideate in real time, keeping all the created assets and tasks within the context of a project. Wrike can easily automate and manage asset review and approvals via its digital proofing capability that puts comments in the context of a document or a digital asset. Integrations with Microsoft Teams and Slack allows users to continue their favorite messaging tools and have those messages appear automatically within the context of a Wrike task. Another key component is complete visibility. Only Wrike allows you to connect your work throughout the strategic goals, work streams, and then outcomes. This is what we call 360-degree visibility. And at the center of it is Wrike Work Graph that captures work like projects, programs, and tasks, and arranges it in a flexible hierarchy. Multiple Wrike views provide needed visibility to work on all levels by pulling the information from the work graph and presenting it in a convenient manner. Thus, executives can oversee business results in interactive reports, project managers can get visibility into their projects and portfolio in a table view and Gantt chart, and employees can see their most important tasks in a simple dashboard. We're also excited to give you a sneak peek on how Wrike for Goal Management helps teams of all sizes increase organizational efficiencies and alignment. In short, you'll get to grow faster, smarter, and with a connected workforce united behind a common purpose. With smart reminders, automated reports, and dashboards, anyone in the org can spend less time worrying about updates and focus on where they should spend their resources. Thanks to the great amount of high-fidelity data about how teams do work in Wrike, we offer ML-based insights and recommendations that accelerate work that matters most. This results in all sorts of intelligent experiences Wrike can create for its users. For example, Wrike can recommend specific tasks that require your attention today, and not just based on their due date, but also based on their overall importance within all projects you assign to in Wrike. Another great example is unique to Wrike, is determining project risk and surfacing it up for resolution before the project slips. Speaking of enterprise-grade capabilities, the first thing I want to cover is security. Security has been top of mind to Wrike. The security we offer to customers is the most comprehensive in work management space. The various certifications proves that, but on top of that, Wrike turns security into an area of product innovation. Only with Wrike Lock, our customers has access and own and manage the keys to the encrypted Wrike data, giving them complete data access control and audit capabilities, even though their data is in the cloud. Only Wrike can power the collaborative workspace across the entire enterprise, counting tens of thousands of users, hundreds of teams, and millions of tasks. We do that by delegating administration from IT to business users, compartmentalizing data with spaces that can represent functional and metrics teams, and connecting processes and projects across teams and line of businesses with powerful cross-tagging. But there is even more to Wrike's ability to scale enterprise-wide. Work models, which is a recent announcement made on Wrike Collaborate conference, a revolutionary way to model all critical aspects of work, its structure, representation, content, and behavior at work. Just like you set up your home or office workspace for maximum efficiency, you can now configure all of your team's work in Wrike to increase productivity. With work models, you can have teams speak the language of their work in Wrike. Wrike's new work models take managing work to the next level, bringing it closer to specific needs of various teams, departments, and workflows. You can create sprints, backlogs, RFP projects, requests for contracts, and so many other things to tailor Wrike to the way your team speaks the work. Wrike is the only CWM with full embedded business intelligence analytics. It lets draw insights from work such as team performance, project bottlenecks, progress to business KPIs, all of that in a very highly visual, customizable, and interactive way. And did I say it does not require users to be PhD in analytics? Simple reports are available out of the box, and custom reports can be quickly created based on the library of templates and widgets. Wrike Integrate is a full-fledged workflow integration engine of Wrike that comes built with 400 integration scenarios and connectors that make integrations with hundreds of other business systems possible, no matter where these systems live, in the cloud or on-prem. For example, if you're in marketing, you can automatically push your creative assets to email campaigns as the assets get approved. Or if you're a professional services team, you could create a new client delivery project in Wrike once the opportunity is closed in Salesforce. Possibilities are literally endless. With Wrike Integrate, your entire set of systems and subsequent data are connected and accessible from within the Wrike. Now that we've covered most critical capabilities of Wrike platform, let's see how Wrike helps address the work management needs of specific teams and departments. And we will start with marketers. Marketing departments are under more pressure than ever. Customers have more options, so delivering outstanding customer experiences across every touchpoint is very critical. Marketers face headwinds such as tedious review and approval processes, inconsistent cross-channel campaigns, and switching between tools to complete a single task. The versatility of Wrike empowers marketers to unify the entire marketing workflow and optimize the go-to-market process, supercharge creative production, improve collaboration, accelerate campaign delivery, and even optimize campaign results with real-time 360-degree visibility into campaign performance. This is a great case study we did with Airbnb. They used Wrike to launch one of their new products, Airbnb Trip. They managed to do that in record time by deploying Wrike into the whole marketing department and by providing utmost visibility into every single department that needed to be part of the launch. Another function that takes full advantage of Wrike is Project and Portfolio Office. As PMOs increasingly face the need to operate at high velocity, they need a way to plan and manage their portfolio, execute end-to-end programs, and report results on one centralized platform. To move at the speed of the market, they need a way to efficiently prioritize, align, and collaborate with cross-functional teams in a single comprehensive tool. Wrike is the only collaborative work management solution to offer intuitive project portfolio management tailored to the needs of the PMO, with the granular transparency to connect strategy, planning, everyday cross-team collaboration, execution, and progress. One great case study I'm going to share with you is how Dish hired Wrike to kick off, build, and complete 5G network on time and even faster than any carrier has done before. Dozens of teams had to be aligned on a regular basis, and Wrike provided visibility into how teams and programs impacted one another. That is really great example how the strategy can be broken down into a set of operational tactics and paired up with the actual outcomes that the company wants to achieve, and Wrike is a perfect platform to facilitate that connection and the alignment between company goals and strategy, divisions and departmental goals, and the actual team's work to succeed in ambitious projects. Wrike for professional services teams is designed to provide unparalleled portfolio visibility and help PS teams to focus on revenue-generating activities while exceeding customer expectations. Our solution enables improved productivity, optimized resources, and increased employee satisfaction. Wrike provides a single source of truth for managing client projects from end to end. PS teams can efficiently capture client requirements, schedule tasks, assign resources, approve projects, and track and invoice billable hours all in one place. But there is even more. With soon-to-be-released Wrike and Citrix share file integration, PS teams take full control of your RFPs and other client-facing and content-based workflows with requests, approvals, contextual collaboration, and even e-signatures and bank-level security, all with the integrated experience provided by Wrike and Citrix share file. A good example of customer that took full advantage of Wrike solution is one of the Big Four accounting firms. They needed a platform to launch M&A practice which exhibit highest level of sensitivity. They also have another challenge, which is to incorporate this solution into a stack of existing value-added services and provide complete automation for the entire project delivery, from the project origination, project sign-off, customer engagement, and collaboration and closeout. But there is even more, and Wrike provided flexibility and ease of use to invite their customers, clients, as collaborators, so these customers can see limited project data and status reports. Our customers highlight the importance of implementing service workflows that would be simple and fast for both sides, employees that request a service and service teams that provide that, creative and marketing, HR, legal and finance, IT, and other teams. Imagine having a single platform that unifies all work service teams do. With the goal of providing end-to-end visibility into worker service teams, we're introducing enhanced support for service workflows, which we've made extremely simple and easy to use for all teams looking to implement internal service model. But because of Wrike versatility and the ability to combine different types of work, our solution looks beyond the ad hoc management of service requests. With Wrike, all service teams can easily collaborate within the team and with employees, while also having full visibility over the entire range of work they typically handle, from service requests to projects and strategic initiatives. And with all we do, we're excited to build an operating system for your organization that empowers teams to operate with clarity, accountability, and alignment like never before. So you've seen some great examples of how Wrike can help specific departments with the line of business workflows. But if we zoom out, you'll be able to see the ultimate goal of Wrike: orchestrating business workflows within the entire company and letting teams work as one well-oiled machine. Now let's see how the vision of Wrike meets the challenges of the future of work and how Wrike is going to deliver on that vision. Today within the enterprise, you can find a lot of siloed solutions that hold bits and pieces of business workflows. But we know that majority of collaboration, especially when it comes to cross-teamwork, happens somewhere else. That forces companies to rely on unstructured tools leaving them on business users, or as we call them, citizens, to figure out how to track, manage, and get visibility into their workflows. At Wrike, we built and perfected a platform that is flexible enough for those citizens to bring in their unique workflows and manage their work. Let's take a look at what workflows are actually made of. We believe there are 4 fundamental elements, starting from data structure, that is the backbone of the workflows. Workflows need to have a flexible data model that captures any domain of work. Second element is the orchestration or automation of key user-to-system interactions. Workflows need to be able to support complex processes that spans multiple teams and systems. Third element is user participation, that plugs users into the workflow and enables agility by letting users complement their prescribed workflow and adjust it when needed. And the last piece is manageability of the workflows at enterprise scale, something that IT teams need to enforce governance and support workflows enterprise-wide. Now let's see where the Wrike advantage is. Unlike other categories of tools that has been solving similar problem, Wrike is uniquely positioned to orchestrate workflows that demand both business agility with IT governance. And we do that with flexible data model, workflow orchestration that supports complex workflows, collaborative and user participation, and manageability at scale. So let's summarize what we discussed and take a closer look how various capabilities of Wrike come into play to offer a no-code platform for business workflows. Data model, our famous work graph, custom fields platform, custom work types and custom objects, everything to support breakdown of work and various types of work in your department. Workflows, powerful request forms, structure and user input and automation engine, implementing state transition rules with a point-and-click UI. User interface, built from day one as a means to collaborate within the context of a work, rich and easy-to-use interface. That's what gives end users the ultimate power to make workflows agile and tailor a platform to their needs without the need to involve IT departments. I hope that in limited time ahead, I gave you a good overview of what Wrike is as a platform, and I want to open up for questions. So please submit yours via our Q&A tool.